Good afternoon, traders.
Afternoon.
We're streaming live 3:30 today.
Oh,
Oh yes.
hello. Hi, mom.
I hope you never take those GJ sales with Raja Banks.
Yeah, -1% for the day.
Me too, I took it like a dumbass.
No, but I closed it. I closed in profits. I use Sufi stop loss, man.
Oh, you took it higher.
No, almost the same place where Raja took it, a bit lower than him actually.
Then
0.01
how
only.
you broke even with it?
I had some other positions running. I was scalping it on the way down.
Oh, so you never lose anything.
Yeah, isn't that $2 I lost in the morning?
Mm-hmm.
That I lost that there. Then I broke even, isn't I was up 60 cents.
Mm-hmm.
Then I took a 50 cents loss and a 15 cent.
Yeah.
So
I
I think the
recover.
commissions.
I recovered it quickly now. I took a gold sell and I closed it.
Hey, what nonsense you doing?
Yeah, that thing made about $3, man, on the 15 minutes.
You're lucky you never get screwed up because this thing shot all the way back up.
Yeah, I closed it at the peak.
Lucky.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, see that rejection on that candle.
Look at it right here. I took it down. I never enter the market. I put a sell limit on the head.
Oh.
I said I'm not going to rush the process. I'm going to put a limit on it. Said if it comes back here on the 15 minutes, I'm going to take the sell. But the sell did go higher. It went up 10 pips higher than my entry. I had a 10 pip drawdown. Then when I went to the toilet and came back, I see it in 30 pips profit. That is a $3 that I say secure. Yeah, but it's still under the process, but it's looking good, gold, man, on the 15 minutes and the 5 minutes. But you have
Some
to do
potential.
0.1 only.
We don't do that here. We do 0.10s only.
No, not yet, not yet.
Quick and fast. I don't know, there's a mental zone.
Where she went?
Left a dog inside here. I don't know. Today is 420, yeah?
Oh, yeah. The chill out day.
Happy 420. She's going to buy something for that. That's all she knows.
You know that we should have taken the cells right on the top if it was on the stream. Right on the top. You know why?
That's our 1 hour baseline.
Yeah, our 1 hour baseline, and we had the zone there. See, look at my charts quickly. That's why I got a shock to ask you if you took the trade. You said no. See right here. Remember the place
Yeah.
where we closed out? Hey, what a luck we closed, huh? Yeah.
Spinning
Ish.
zone.
See, when we closed, right? See where the price after that it closed underneath this zone, the zone that we was watching, and then
Yeah.
you should have caught that close. That was the 30 minutes at 12:30, giving you the sell. If I was only here, I would have done it. Exactly at 12:30. Yeah, they were beautiful. And we knew they had selling volume coming up. That's why we came out of the trade. Yeah, what a luck. I don't know why Raja Banks never take it there. I think he never start the Zoom as yet.
Yeah, possible.
But that's okay. Let's get down to some NASDAQ. Sufi, I reckon, is not trading today NASDAQ.
Oh, one loss is enough.
Yeah, but he had a tight stop loss there.
Yeah, 4 pips. What is thinking, man?
No,
What is...
he's doing Raja style. If the 15 minutes break above the baseline, he closes the trade.
No.
Check that out. Yeah. But now I was such a dumbass. I took the trade with them when I knew that there's a potential that thing is going to go back up that baseline, and my stop loss is too tight. So, hey, it is what it is. But it was looking promising, that trade.
Looking good.
Let's see NASDAQ now, right? Now you see this zone here. It broke out of it again today. It broke out of it yesterday. That's an all-time high. You remember when NASDAQ broke its all-time high? Yeah. If you zoom out from that zone, you'll see that was the highest it ever touched in February. So never forget the zone I got here. You make a zone there too, and never ever take it out for now, because it's very, very crucial, this zone. It's a 13900 zone. So you must consider that zone. So when we're coming up to this zone here now, we know that price is now under this box. So when it's under this box, I know that I'm looking for sells. It's coming to price action. Now, if this price here decides to stay in this area, I'm going to take a sell coming lower down here. If it decides to stay here. Because I also see there's another form of rejection happening at this area right now where it is. What do you think about that? Yeah, see there? That area there.
Sounds like a plan.
But if it starts breaking above here, we know for a fact that it got this range here to push up. This is only a 200 pip zone. So if we get manipulation on the sell, you must consider that the price is going to push up. But if it closes on top here, I'm telling you now, you have to come out of that trade, because this is all buying area on the top of that zone. This is now it's selling zone. Okay, that's what we're getting in price action, right? But if the price decides to go down, let's see the targets that it can go down and up first. Okay, let's start off if it's a buy first. Let's do the opposite today of what we normally do. Let's always change it up. Like if we get a close on the top here, right? Just say there. If that candle comes up and closes, so we know it's going to go up. Now, it depends how much volume is coming in. If it's pushing all the way up and it doesn't pull back down, then it is going as a buy. We're going to get to the system now to make more sense, but the price action only. If it closes here, this is the zone. Maybe it can wick up to, or it can continue going up. That's what I'm seeing with the buying scenario. And then if it closes there, then it will continue its trend going up today, if it's possible today. So that's what the buying setup, right? Now, when you come into sells now, price needs to close in this area here in order for us to catch a sell. Then the sells will work out. You might catch it coming all the way down here. And potentially, if it breaks and closes here, then it will continue going more lower down. So at the area it is right now, let's see the zone, if it's major or what. The zone itself came down here, price pushed down here, touched here, then some, left a wick in the bottom, started pushing up. Come back to the danger area. Delete this out here. You don't need these lines here. That too. Let's remove these lines out. Keep that zone there. See what we got here. Got the 4 hour. 30 minutes there. Okay, so that's that, right? So if we get a close here, we're looking for buys. If it closes underneath, we're looking for sells. Now coming to the system now, let's have a look at what our system got for us. All right. Open XM here. US Tech. Right. How many trades you wrote down today? Nothing.
Nope. I write it at the end of the day.
Oh, no. Learn to write your trades before you take a trade, man. Why are you doing wrong? Me too. I never write no trades yet. First trade of the day.
Only Nasdaq I write. The others are right end of the day.
Goodness. So we got the C1, right, crossing as a buy. C2, also a buy. Volume coming to a buy. Okay, baseline, waiting. And for now. One hour. Okay. Got the 1 hour here. We got the C1, that's a sell. C2, which is also a sell low, coming to a buy. Volume, low, sell. When a low sell means buy power, as buying power. Coming to the 4 hour is still underneath. 4 hour is underneath. Don't play.
Yeah.
Never knew that, huh? Because then potential price can go up, man, to fill the 4 hour gap there.
Possible. Push it back down.
Yeah, man, that's good. That's 500 and 610 pips up there. So we have to consider more on the buys here instead of sells. That's what I'm saying. But if we get a sell, means we might get a fake out sell. But depends on if this candle closes as a buy, then it will be very good because it's already pushing up as a buy.
Yeah.
So overall, the 30 minutes is identified as a buy. The 1 hour would be identified as a very low sell confirmation, which makes buys much stronger. Makes sense? You know what I mean? Okay.
Yeah.
And the 4 hour, see the volume. Okay, 4 hour is a strong sell. But that could be because of that move just happened also. Now that is always, let's see the 15. 15 is going as a buy. Okay, that's good. Okay, we stick on mostly on a buy. But now that buy, you have to just be careful if we can catch this buy from here going to that zone, but it's a very small area. If it breaks it, then it's going back up. It's going back up. We said about 600 pips, yeah, around there. So that's where you're targeting. Yesterday we said we're going to do something where we're going to add on positions or something, you were saying? Forgot.
Keep our runner.
Oh, yeah. And don't forget, if we get the trade right, we got to know where to keep our runner because we must see the gap. Like just
That's
say,
if we're in the right direction. Right?
If we're in the right direction, yeah. If you're in the right direction, and if you see where price could possibility hit, you must keep a runner to hold it till that zone. Just say if we took a buy now and it's all the way here, we're gonna close or like half of it or whatever the case is, and then we're gonna leave the runner to do its thing if it's gonna keep on pushing up.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
sounds legit.
So most likely we might look for buys. Yeah. It's just that I don't like where it is capped at. Where the price is at the moment is a very delicate situation. So I say keep your risk low, yeah, but we're looking for buys.
Yeah, affirmative.
I wonder what J Money is going to do.
Let's see now.
You got the app open.
No, it'll send you a message.
Oh.
You don't need to open the app to receive it.
Yeah, what? Yeah.
Risk less on today's 3:30, expecting highly volatile because of mixed fundamentals. Same thing like yesterday, what he said.
So he typed it out, or he just has it there?
No, the yesterday's one he copied. This one he typed out, I think. Risk less today on 3:30, expecting high levels of volatility.
Yeah, I see that too. What do you think our risk should be? 0.10 times 2?
Yeah, that's good.
0.10 times 1. How many I'll
That's
check it.
better.
Okay, if the price closes anywhere between here, we need to target 300 pips with the ATR.
Five minutes on the clock. Sufi not trading.
Mm-mm. Let me go pee quick. All right.
Alrighty.
Silent.
Yeah, this place, silence in this place.
Okay, what we got going on here now? Price back underneath the baseline. Damn. Is it under the zone? But that means it's still above here. I'm sure Joash is going to tell you to buy, Gavin. If you're going to buy, when you want to execute it the same time on this buyer.
Yeah, because it's where our price is.
Yeah, it might just go straight up here. Possible. But
Yeah, if not, then you'll know. Yeah, he's buying.
so quick, before the time.
Yeah.
Ish.
I think global XM.
Okay.
You can bluff people.
He does that because of higher commissions for his broker.
Hmm. Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Broker gives him higher commissions.
Yeah, the more commission he gets, the better it is. Yeah, so we will stick with the buys also. Just see the system. Yeah, get ready. Soon as the clock hits, you hit the first one. Then if you get drawdown, we'll hit the second one. You see, we also analyzed it exactly like what he saw. How many seconds left?
1 minute, 50 seconds.
Very early enters, huh?
Yeah.
The 30 minutes looking beautiful as a buyer.
Yeah, it's very nice. Building up nicely. This candle should push it.
There we go. How many seconds?
5. And we're on.
Right, I'm in. You in?
Yeah, yeah. That's. You said close. When we securing?
I'm securing about slightly more. Let's see this price action here. Yeah. Straight above there. When you want to secure?
I'm out.
Yeah.
I'm securing now because I'm seeing. I don't like. I just wanted it to keep on shooting up. That's what I wanted. I don't want any pullbacks. Made $1. Yeah.
Yeah, you see, you had to put
On our basement.
extra risk. That was. You have to put a lot of risk in order to catch that. So quick he comes out, huh? Unbelievable.
Said we out. What the hell? Profits taken.
That's how much he catches. That's it, huh? That is it. But we called it also.
Yeah. But we shouldn't have said this less because of him.
No, I wanted a risk less
Because
condition.
our system was telling us a headshot is coming. This is a headshot.
Yeah. That was
Yeah. If you wanted to. Because this was a headshot.
Yeah. But you see that zone where it is, I don't like that area. See that area there, where it is now, bouncing off. Very crucial area that is. As I told you, that's the all-time high area. It needs to close above that zone. Then you straight on buys coming up one way.
Yeah.
That just show how good we gone in Forex. You saw that.
Look at that.
Just look at that. We analyzed what the man is making millions of. We analyzed it ourselves. Unbelievable. You see, this is a good thing that's happening now. This price might drop.
Pullback.
The pullback, yeah. But I don't know. Maybe a pullback to drop further down. That's why I don't want to take a chance. I took that one trade, it made like 30 rand. I said, okay, it's fine. You see, we make very less on the headshots. You know that there.
Yeah.
We make more money on a drawdown.
Mm.
Mhm.
Yeah, I feel sorry Wooston in the buyers, man.
You and me,
No, I'm out.
you came out.
Yeah, long time.
What you came out for?
On the peak, I pulled out.
Shit.
I'm entering again now, don't worry.
No, I'm joking. I'm
Enter one
joking.
more now.
Hey. No, I'm joking. I'm joking.
You can't joke like that. You want to go live, you're making jokes there. People will take you serious. Shit.
I wonder how the hell did he enter so many positions in a fraction of seconds? I can't understand that.
Magic keys, though.
Magic keys don't open that fast, man. So many
It's
positions.
that fast. It is that fast.
Yeah. Damn. I'll be scared to buy now. You know why? I'm seeing
What?
a pullback. Yeah, maybe. Just maybe this buy can work out again. Huh? Do you want to risk it? But no. See, the 1 hour is not confirmed. That's the whole reason to why I never like stick with the buys as strong as I normally do it.
Yeah.
With the 30 minutes and price
Because
action was perfect for a headshot.
yeah,
Yeah, I had no
you can
drawdown.
pull all the way back. Yeah, nothing at all. I had $1.
$1
But then,
drawdown.
yeah,
How come?
I entered early.
If you entered early, then you wouldn't have no drawdown because it never pulled back.
It pulled back before 3:30.
Never see that.
Yeah. We had a slight pullback and there was like 100 pullback there.
Yeah, but now if he can come out so less pips in profit, how much when he's done drawdown? How much he's losing then?
So that he risked that whole account then, the 300K.
So you're risking 300,000 on one trade, right? In order to take a small profit that makes how much? 80,000. Yo, you must have made a lot of 80,000s in order to do something like that.
Yeah, definitely. Ish, this is pushing back, man.
Yeah, I told you.
Waha. Thing is madness. Yeah. I don't like how the 4 is printing to on price action. Printing lower and lower.
I didn't like the whole setup. You see, especially with the 1 hour wasn't in line. Remember the 1 hour, what I told you, it's giving us a low sell. Means
Low
it will be
sell.
more of a buy. But not bad at all. That was how many pips this was? 300. Drawdown off, even if he was holding it, 230 pip drawdown. If we held on this trade and we had the drawdown, we was gonna stack on.
Yeah.
But looks like we're getting a good move coming up if we're going to wait the 1 hour 1 hour close. Ever thought about that?
It closes above, yeah.
Yeah. The 1 hour, then we can get a lot of entries after that, because we got the top area to play with now. We got this whole box here to play with, going back up. See where we was in the morning. Look at how big range this is. The range was very small where we traded now. It was only a 200 pip range.
Yeah.
You knew that?
It's true. Yep.
Let's see, we got a 5 minutes closing. Where it's closing? Yeah, but you're gonna go at 5 minutes close. Rather 15 minutes would be better. Yeah, but the 5 minutes closed on top there. No.
5 minutes never close it. It's still over there.
Oh, so 4:30 they just catch like a scalp and they in and out, huh?
Yeah. That's all you do. Quick and fast.
Hey, that means I'm trading 4:30 wrong then. I'm holding for longer.
Yeah. Hey.
It's like they trade 4:30 like a news.
Yeah. Ooh.
Show the system. We need to see the system more than the price action. It's a 15-minute swing. Don't sleep on this. Yeah, pretend like you're in a trade now, in a position. Get your psychology right.
Oh.
Get the other account open there. We'll do some scalping.
Yeah.
Yeah, why not? We can scalp some buys, yeah? You're gonna do it.
A bit volatile this, yeah?
Okay, no, that's just not why we're gonna do a stupid thing.
Yeah.
Rather wait.
Wait for a clean move.
Wait for a close, yeah. This is a dodgy candle. Yeah. Okay, let's try scalp it on this thing, yeah. Scalp it, yeah. Do 10 dots. Buy. Right, we in $5 minus. $32.
In blue now?
65, 108, 117. Right, we close quickly. Close position, out.
Quick and fast.
Quick and fast, $105 that was. 0.10. The 10 lots is a bit big, yeah, man. We have to do one, I think.
I think it's the wrong 10 there.
Yeah, I think it's one. Let's try one, sell. No, why you gonna sell when it's buys? It's so high already. Let's do a 0.1. Yeah, there we go. 0.1 is right. See that
Yeah.
$1.10, 90 cents, $3.5, 5.2. You can't add on positions.
I think you can, I don't know.
No, you can't.
Can't.
I don't think so.
That's the free one, must be. "15 minutes gave a test on the baseline and went back up. I don't like how the baseline looks. Wasn't looking so fresh.
15 minutes, yeah. Isn't it so sad that we called the move, but we took so less?
Yeah, unfortunate. We need to build that confidence. Where's our runner? Runner in the bush.
How are we going to have a runner? We should have entered when it dropped back down and then said, hey, better entry, putting our stop
Yeah.
loss into place. That's what we should have done. We never expect headshot. I never think. Okay, I saw
Yeah.
it was looking good, but certain things wasn't there. Certain things. Never mind. At least we never take a loss, man. What's more better?
Loss.
And being sitting here depressed.
Uh,
What if we went on sales? We would have made money too.
But I made, yeah.
Either way, Nasdaq you can buy and sell, you still make money.
It's just depending on you.
Depends on
If you can hold it or not. Yeah. And 15-minute candle is now in effect.
See the 15 minutes drop and give us a wick down.
Get a pullback.
Pullback.
Yeah. Thing going up one way, but thing is refusing pullback. They don't want to break the highs. Oh, this thing is gone. Goodbye, 15-minute. He was a nice friend. Could reject off, yeah? Nope. The thing said no, thank you. I'll tell you when I want to reject off what's left here.
Going straight up to the 4 baseline.
Look on 15 minutes, put a line where the price closed and look left. It closed above there. That previous area.
Yeah, that one there. Oh, yeah. That's another zone right there.
Yeah.
Where? Under this line.
Under the 15-minute that's open now. Yeah. It closed above there. If you look to the left there, you can see there's 2 candles. It closed above those candles there.
The 15 minutes gave no wick in the bottom, man. We left a wick.
Yeah. Left a small wick. No, on my one, there's no wick. On the phone, there's a small wick, but on the trading view, there's no wick.
Oh, yeah, and this one is no wick. Certain ones got wick, certain ones got no wick. Let's see on our system. 15 minutes. XM got a small wick. IC. Small wick also. Yeah, but how's that crook move for him to get the people to enter the market before the spreads go lower?
Yeah, very nonsense, man.
That's not fair, that there. He must be earning a lot of money through the brokers, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Because the more spreads you pay the broker, the more money you get paid. They get paid.
Yeah.
Because there's a reason. There's no reason whatsoever to enter the market at that time. It's not going to push higher. It's not going to do nothing. It's going to stay where it is.
And he keeps advertising his broker on his group too.
Oh, yeah. Him and the brokers are together. Yeah, but we can't talk bad about him. He's making money. That's the whole idea.
Yeah, it's working for him.
Yeah.
It's good.
We too, one day we'll be doing the same thing. We'll never know. But I don't know, to reach that level, that's something else altogether. That's big standards that there.
Next level.
Yeah. We can just sit and look at it and hold pool.
Hmm.
Because I told you, let's enter, you said no.
Ah,
You mustn't fright. But what you can do, you can watch it nicely and then learn from it the next time. Because these moves happens again, over and over and over.
yes, sir. That is correct. Correcto, amigo.
From our entry now, it's pumping up.
Next 5 minutes is pushing it to
400 pips, this is, man. Oh, yeah. I see market never print a buy, yeah? That's very bad, yeah?
print a buy where?
It never closed above the baseline.
On what time frame?
30 minutes.
30 minutes close above?
My one never closed above on this one, but the other one on my laptop closed above.
Yeah, my one is above there.
Got the green dots printed.
Not green, no, the dot is not printed.
Yeah, you saw. Say XM. XM is printed.
Oh, look at that, man.
You didn't know that.
No.
Why do you think I was confident with the buy? Because it closed above.
You'll have to use the King Jingson 10 if you want that.
No. I'm using 14. You?
Same.
I think you must analyze on XM, NASDAQ.
Yeah, I'm gonna look into that.
But certain times also IC gives you better ones sometimes.
It's a thing. It's a win-win.
Yeah. Just keep both, never mind. Come on, give us a pullback so we can catch a buys, man. Basically, this price here manipulated the people, pulled back, and then never gave you a chance ever again to enter it.
Yeah.
That's what it done. You can just see it. It's like very experienced traders could have caught a move like this. Because first of all, if there was in buys, the price reversed, they got scared, they pulled out. When the price went back up here, I say that most people would be scared of the 15 minutes to take entry. But NASDAQ, I think 15 minutes is fine to enter, man.
15 is good. It works out sometimes. Even all the other ones are in line.
Yeah.
It works out good.
Now look at the 4 hour now, should be touching the baseline. Yeah, see?
Yeah, it one touch there.
At this point here, we might get the reversal, man.
Hmm.
We don't want to trade a reversal, but you want to trade a reversal.
Yay. Dangerous stuff. Where your stop's gonna be. Look at price action where 1 hour is closing. If you take it now, your stops will be about 300 pips. 300 pips up.
Exactly at this 1 hour, I'm gonna take a sell.
Oh,
Yeah, on the dot of 1 hour candle close. If it closes back in this range, yeah, I'm taking a sell there. I'm gonna sell there, and I have a stop loss of 520 pips. Makes sense.
yeah. Makes a bit of sense there.
But 500 pips is too much, isn't it?
Yeah, but I noticed around 500 works good.
Because I'm seeing the way the 1 hour closing is not closing as it's going to push up. It's not going to give you that buy. It might give you the pull back on this 1 hour, yeah. So look how high price pushed up.
Rats.
Unless it's that day where Nasdaq just decides to keep on going.
Eesh.
You know those days.
Yeah, it just breaks in.
It just
Says
breaks and
goodbye to everyone.
yes. Let's see. We'll wait. Got 4 minutes left. We might get some bullish candles too. You'll never know. The 1 minute already started printing cells.
Yeah.
On the 4 hour zone too, it started printing it. Rejected there. That's our initial target where we're supposed to go. You know that. I don't know why you decided to pull out so quick.
Yeah.
When you said pull out, I got scared.
Nah. No, what you might get scared for? You don't. You're more experienced than me. You're getting scared.
Yeah, but I'm thinking maybe you're seeing something that I'm not seeing.
Right? And this trade too, I'm closing now. This trade.
Which trade?
The sell you gave.
I'll close it then.
Right, I'm out.
See how what we should have if we done our buy, we would have stuck with our buys, right? And then when the price, if it never hit our target yet, it would have came back all the way down. And then when it started going down, we were still going to stay. We're sticking with our buys. We would have stuck on buys, and then, you know what I mean?
Eventually.
Yeah.
Poof. Yeah, unfortunately.
Okay, never mind. It's a good learning experience.
Yeah. GJ melted, man. Ha ha ha.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shit, man. Just stopped us out and then dropped.
Stop loss should have been above the 30 minutes or 1 hour.
Hey, too high that was.
That's the only choice he had because the 15 minutes faked you out. There's like 12 pips. About 12 pips to make potentially 25 pips.
25.
Yeah.
One lot is making $208.
How many pips are 200?
Same. I entered the same trade on yeah.
GJ.
Yeah, GJ.
Oh, yeah. I must use that crap there. Let's see. Put some poison. Spray doom in the roof. Rats. It's a rat or a bird here. There.
Where is it?
One lot is how many? 1,000.
100.
100 for one lot.
Let me check. Wait. Go back there. 100. Yeah. 100,000.
That's 1,000.
Yeah, that means you have to put 1,000. Yeah. That's a one lot. Groovy, baby. Okay. Now, coming to NASDAQ again. For the 1 hour is closing now. It's closing down. Life can be brutal.
Life can be unforgiving. If I had to sum up in one word the difference between the greats and the average, the difference between the successful and the nobodies of the world.
One word.
One word. One attribute to describe the difference. Discipline. If you don't have the discipline,
You can
you
forget
can forget
about
about
the
the trophy.
trophy.
You can forget about the success, the greatness. All champions have discipline. It's the discipline to work hard. You-
Making $5 on the GJ now.
Understand?
Yeah. On the trading paper trade.
Hey, the fall on NASDAQ is stronger.
Baseline.
Yeah, no, the whole setup there. Could have caught a sell on the 4 hour coming down. 1,000 pips. Imagine that. Yeah. See what's happening now on NASDAQ, right? It closed back above that zone. But I feel it's very unlikely it's going to bounce off here. Maybe it can go a little bit lower and fake out the people more and then go up. Maybe. You never know. Wall Street opens lower on COVID worries. They're worried about COVID. Yeah, there's a lot of things happening about the third wave. Huh? That's why it went down there. Huh? See, all the markets done bad today.
Look at that.
I mustn't fall for those tricks they do.
Yeah. That's just to catch it, bro.
Yeah.
Later you'll see it goes up, then they'll say markets recovered from all-time low.
Yeah.
Shits. I don't think you can take this buy. Forward ejected. What if it pushes all back down?
That's the thing I'm thinking of.
Yeah.
It might catch the people to set up, yeah.
You look at the daily volume. Yeah. The daily volume too don't look so good, man.
True, huh? It must have broken out of that zone too. Yeah, see that shit. Straight breakout. I told you the 4-hour candle we must sell at 4 o'clock.
Okay, here we'll see. If it breaks here, here's our baseline right here. 30 minutes. And 1 hour, all baselines.
You saw how it was bouncing off there like it was respecting that area.
Mm-hmm.
You see how good is it to have the inside view of trading, what people, the big firms look at. They don't look at this support and resistance. They're looking at like those, like the baseline lines.
Yeah.
Weird, huh?
Really strange people.
Yeah, because I think they don't have time to put lines all the time.
Yeah, that's the thing.
See, like now, it rejected off the 30 minutes baseline, man. Look at that.
Mm.
And then if price continues going back up now, means it was perfect. Hello.
Still on.
Okay.
Yes, we're still on like a scone.
How was 3:30?
Hey, very bad, huh?
What?
Very too bad.
Too bad.
You're drinking Joash's buys.
We done his buy before he done his buy.
Oh,
Yeah, but we closed the trade off so quick. And
there was more to go.
Hey, when he closed it was like a peanut, and Gavin got scared. And
Your closed on his call.
no, I closed with Gavin's call.
Oh, why didn't I just take TP when he said?
I think we closed it before Joash even say close.
That was a very quick trade, I must say. It was a few minutes, like in and out.
You done it too?
Oh man, that's the thing. I'm missing out on this 3:30.
Oh.
I quit my job. I quit it.
No, you can't quit your job. Jobs are very important.
Yeah, because I'm missing everything.
Yeah, you're gonna catch a buy now coming up soon.
Oh,
I think so.
don't think you have to know.
I want to take a buy. But
Oh, you're getting FOMO.
I'm just skeptical about the 4 hour. Just a bit skeptical that if the 4 hour can can drop again, then we're in big trouble. Big trouble. Yeah, no, Joash's trade was in and out, but we knew already what we was going to do. We just use him as confirmation, like extra. But you see, the problem is the price pushed up and it came down where we're supposed to be adding our positions, but we didn't. Something like that.
Oh, take it back up.
Yeah, so we couldn't get enough entries. That's the problem. We only entered that first entry. You know, I like to stack on NASDAQ. Stack it on. This move is taking very long to correct itself, though.
Yeah. Maybe you don't.
Yeah, but it's still a strong buy, man. If you came like just before 4 o'clock, we would have caught the sells coming down.
Donkey woman only left now.
What happened?
Donkey woman only left now.
Oh. Why so late she's leaving?
Snowball. She'll run outside 10 times, buy something, run back in, leave it, go back out.
I tell her to go early because she get caught in traffic.
Hmm? What? No.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm tempted in taking buys. Tempted. But I just don't know if it's gonna respect the 4 hour, man.
Read what you see.
I'm seeing a bounce after baseline to go up again. This might be a fake out for the sellers, for the buyers, to take them out in order for this price to continue higher. But there's also the 4 hour that's so strong that was rejected from it. Let's see, this 15 minutes is gonna close. Lucky.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Yes, save.
I saved myself. Let's see.
This 15 should continue the volume. Hmm? Find the password.
Baby bird. I think if I'm going to take a trade now, it's going to be an irrational decision, isn't it?
Correct.
Yes.
You force in a trade.
Are you sure about that?
Okay, let me go on the chart and see what you're saying.
What are you looking at then?
I was looking at trading view. Doing my own thing.
I don't know whether to take a sell or not. But the sell, the range is too bad. That's what they want people to think
Yeah,
is. No, I'm thinking of what people are thinking of. Thinking of the people. Thinking of what I want to go deep inside Nasdaq. It's like I'm inside those where they're pumping money. Yeah, like the firm. And I'm thinking now, okay, if that 15 minutes closed above here, what would they want to do? Push the price back up or push the price back down? So they push the price back up. Push it up, yeah. So the 30 minutes and the 1 hour is very strong with those buys. But it's strong in a way where you have to scalp it, not like buy and hold. Yeah, but I don't want to scalp here. I want to catch a trend. I catch the trend going either up or going down, whichever way. If the 30 minutes was going to close under there, then I was going to take it back down. Then now I'm seeing, okay, it's respecting there. Alrighty then. I don't think I'm gonna do it. I don't wanna force it. If I'm gonna force it, I'm gonna do a
Yeah.
bad decision. Because it's clearly, but overall, I'm gonna buy and take a buy, right? Take a buy there. Not really now, paper trade.
Mm.
And take a buy, and I'm gonna target this area here. I'm gonna target high, like I entered it there now, right? And I'm gonna target there for this trade, yeah. And my potential loss is gonna be like around there. If it goes back down, it is what it is. Because I'm not.
Yes, that's correct.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mooks, you better call it. You're gonna get FOMO now.
FOMO is for homos.
Yeah, you're gonna be
Well-
greedy though.
We
I know you're gonna get it. I know he's gonna take a trade when we go on.
Yeah, I can sense it.
Yeah, I know too. He's gonna come and say, "Ah, shit, man, what a stupid thing I've done."
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why you wanna be greedy? You took a trade already. Huh?
I never take a trade. I missed the trade.
Show the trade there.
330.
Yeah, I missed.
Yeah, the record. 420. 420.
420. 420. I have to take a trade for 420.
It's 420, 420 though.
Got it on record. That means we have to do 4.20 lot size on a buy. Let's do 4.20 lot size on a buy.
The Lord said go do 4.20, got bad.
There we are. 420. Buy. Oh,
How's it working?
very bad.
On myself on GJ, let's see.
DJ is melting like that.
Losing $1. Paper trade. There. For 2 pull, you say?
2 pull pass.
2 pull pass. Schoolboy. Yeah, Leo. Yeah, Leo.
You know, Paru, we analyzed this whole thing exactly like how it worked out, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So
To the T.
To the T. We took
To the T.
this trade here was here. 330 was here. So we measured the 4-hour baseline was about 600. I think it was 600, 610. So we obviously we're not going exactly there. So we said maybe there or maybe there. So we drew the first thing. What we stuck with first is mostly buys because we done technicals. I drew one candle here and I drew the next candle here going up over here, right there. And then we said, okay, if buys don't work out, if it closes under this, you see this purple line here? We needed a close. If it closes above this purple line, we're taking buys to go up. If it closes below this purple line, we're going to take sells to go more lower down. So look at it. It closed on top. Closed on top, we entered the buy straight away because it closed perfectly. And on the 30 minutes too. Hey, it just shot up there, came down, we closed it. Then the price pulled back all the way here. I don't know what happened to us. We got so caught up with the whole thing, we never trade again, we never buy again. And then it went all the way up after that. You can see the wick over here. It wicked Phil. I don't know if you can see the wick there. Yeah, see that? That candle pushed all the way up and pulled back down. That's how 4:30 happened. And then I said, okay, Gavin, you know what? That's the 4-hour baseline that was on that spot there. If you look at our system, you can see there's a 4-hour touch there. That was just now. Touch there. And then I told Gavin exactly on the 4 o'clock candle, we'll sell. But why I never take a sell is because I expected it to close like right on the baseline so I can catch it coming down. But it closed like a little bit below, which gave you about 320 per 370. So we caught virtually trading, we caught about 500 plus the move coming down. So you say about 400 and 500 pips. And drawdown was around 100 there, about 100 pips there, and 200 pips there. Not bad at all. Beautiful trades.
Awesome. Even in the morning, Joe, our GJ was beautiful to us, telling you so.
What happened with the GJ trades in the morning?
Closed it.
Closed at BE.
BEE. BEE. Hey, what a luck we closed it. Huh? Ooh. Imagine some people took up their stop losses there. Shit.
Yeah.
Hey.
Save that.
They're not going to recover.
Yeah, they don't trade with stop loss.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Damn.
They're not the ones, yeah.
There's it, yeah, on the screen, yeah. You won't believe, me and Gavin finally came to a decision that we're closing it.
At least, you see, you're improving on your people's house.
Yeah, have to. That's the only way we're gonna make it.
Okay, so
We have to use our brains and say, hey, enough is enough. It's not looking like what we expected it. Then I took another loss just now. I took a loss at Raja Banks. I done a sell. Right here on this, actually on the low of this candle here. Took a sell, entered the second sell, yeah. I use a very tight stop loss. I use a stop loss above the 15 minutes candle. Wicked up, came a little bit down, came more higher after that. Lucky I wasn't holding that drawdown.
you're out of the bed.
Yeah, the stop loss was around, about 10 pips. I should have because I had a 0.2 lots there. I should have put it at least 10 pips. I lost about $2 that small trade like that, 10 pips. 10, that's 20. Yeah, $2. Not two, about $8 and about 54 cents dollar. Whatever.
On GJ.
On GJ, yeah. And then I said, okay, fair enough. Why I done that trade was, I don't know why. Because everybody was, even Sufi done it. And Raja Banks done it together.
Sufi, sir.
Yeah, I sent it to you. I sent it on the group.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. That's what I remember. Actually.
Then I reckon, shit, man, 2 people doing the thing. Let me see. The only thing I saw was price action, the way they see the charts. So I see Sufi also trades the same style as Raja Bank. That's okay. Very nice.
Very bad. What's very nice?
I took the trade with them.
You should have secured.
I couldn't secure. I had no profits at all. Yeah,
But
zero.
Raja was in profit too.
No, I entered way lower than Raja. When he was in 5 pips in profit, I entered.
Oh, shit.
Yes, that's the thing. Then, fair enough, I lost that $2. Then I said, okay, what I'm going to do now? My account went down to $6. I said, shit, this GJ account is just not working out for me, not working out. I was $8. I went to $6. I said, shit, man, I could have lost it on my own, not losing it through somebody else. I get angry when that happens. It's because I like taking my losses on my own, like, my own trading style, not on somebody else's trading style. Then I said, okay, very nice. Took the loss. I said, let me go check what I can find. So I checked NASDAQ, checked US 30. I said, there are 2 pairs I can't trade. I said, the next best bet for $6 is a gold trade. I said, right, fair enough. I heard Cohen and them talking about gold and this and that. So I said, okay, nice. Let me go see gold. I checked the gold. I checked the 5 minutes out. I checked the 30 minutes. I said, okay, potentially there's a sell. I can see with my eyes now, not them saying anything. Just some extra confirmation of Cohen said the price might drop lower to wherever it was. That's okay, very nice. I took that gold trade. It covered my loss. The extra $1 profit. I came out BE.
Yeah.
And now from $6, I've gone up back to $9.4. You see?
Very nice. Very
That's why I
nice.
always tell you all to trade your own style.
Yes.
See, like NASDAQ, how it's scamming. Luckily, I never take that buy. Look at that. I'm losing $7,200 now.
Look at that, right?
I just knew it. When I looked at it, I had that feeling that it is not looking perfect. It is just not looking perfect. And that's why I always say, all of y'all need to see how y'all see it. That's why the only way you can do that is by taking a trade, doing the wrong, and learning from that wrong.
That is correct.
If not, you're never going to learn. Never ever going to learn. What if Joe Dash told us to sell? What would you have done, Gavin?
If Joe Dash, what I would have done. So if he said sell,
Yeah, and we done analysis.
I would have waited.
Buy.
I would have waited.
Waited for what?
Why? Oh, if he done a
Sell.
sell,
And we
our system,
would you follow ourselves or you'll follow him?
I will wait for the baseline and then see what's happening from there.
Baseline was a buy.
Like you saw, baseline, yeah, closed above. We could have took it from there. Then the 4 hour had that gap to fill also. So then we have to think now, all that there before taking Joe Ash's one. Or maybe we could have done our one, and then if he done a sell, we could have caught it going down after we was finished with our buy. That's a nice thing to do.
Possible.
Something to think of.
Hey, you know what's the date today? 420. You check that out.
That's why we said 420 and 420.
Yeah, man. I didn't know that.
I can smell the weed already.
That's why Gavin's smoking weed. No, I know
Yeah.
you'll say 420 all the time, but I didn't know the date was 420. Like, really?
My God, it's only
Yeah.
once a year.
Yeah. You
That's
don't
why-
look at the date.
No, I wrote the date, but I put a dash over there. So how am I gonna see it together?
420.
No,
I have no-
I can't separate my numbers. Oh, so that means it's a doobie night.
You don't have no doobie to smoke.
Ruby.
Y'all got a doobie there, huh?
Yeah, we managed to get a small bird zoo managed to get from the tuck shop there.
Oh, they sell.
No, there's a guy that buys.
Someone buys.
Oh, okay.
We send someone to buy.
All right. Very nice. That's why
Long is smoking
in
too.
Raja Bang's place.
You know how goofed we are.
Oh,
Yeah.
and
Hey man, critical man.
when Raja Bang's time, there was all parking dom there. They were saying it's a 420 day. So I'm thinking why they were saying 420 to now. It's all making sense, man. Yeah.
Oh, Lord.
Then Gavin was saying 420 the time, so I expected okay, 420 the time.
Yeah.
I understand now. 420 the time. Now
Time and date.
and the date
True, you know.
to get the why you normally don't get a 420 every day, every month.
You must get a photo.
Yeah. So what's the big
Every
deal?
year, yeah.
No, the date.
Every
Don't
year.
get 20th of April
once
every
a year.
day. What's wrong with you?
Yeah.
Oh,
once a
the
year.
4th month. Yeah. Hey, I can't say today. I can't say.
month?
I'm not thinking straight.
Date.
Somebody give this man some weed.
Yes.
Please
So,
smoke weed or go.
yes.
We all smoke today. I can smell it and he's getting goofed. How's that?
Why you never tell me I would have taken a picture of my clock over here? That means all was in line as 420 together. Date, time,
Yeah. I'm putting one on my status now.
shit. You knew that, Padu? Padu didn't know herself.
I think she knew that. Yeah? Critical.
Nasdaq.
It was.
killed.
Yeah.
No, Joash's status, Nasdaq.
Yes. Wow.
Yeah, how he managed to even make a
Get
screenshot of
money.
it when it went up so quick and it came down so fast. How he does that?
Zero is a beast. He's too good. He's too good.
How he does that?
What you mean?
See,
You just press the two buttons on his phone on MetaTrader.
oh no, he always records it and he cuts clips of it and he puts it there. You saw that?
There's so many times where I did that too. My
Yeah.
trade was in profit. I just took a screenshot.
Yeah.
It decided to go the opposite way.
Yeah.
You have to wait again. He
Mhm.
must have pulled out on the second push up or something.
No, you must have came out of like 50K over there.
I'll go check up his post now to see what's happening. I'm gonna make my 420 post.
Because you saw how fast it pulled down again.
Yeah. And then it pushed back up.
Oh, it did push back.
And then it gave you a push up.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
But I don't know. if
So
it
you
was
could have
from-
came out there.
Yeah.
Yeah. He's a sharp trader.
Yeah, he's using
He's a
match.
charo.
Dondala
Yeah.
with the masala. Danya hati
Soon
chili.
we're gonna join him. We'll have our own charo group. Say bro. Make our own charo group, yeah.
Huh?
You know? You can
Dondala
just picture him now.
with the
They're all sitting in the room.
with the GTR.
Yeah, he's so skinny too. He is so sitting there, but you know he has that style to him. He makes the skinny go. You know.
Oh, I
Very
knew I
feminine.
didn't want this to happen again. This is the thing I didn't want you all
What
to
up?
You start doing that same thing of thinking of being with him.
Oh, what do you think?
Yeah,
Sorry about that.
not be with him. Be in his league.
No, you don't. You stay in your lane. Who wants to be with him? He's on his Clint league that day.
Yeah.
Unless Keshni wants to be friends with his girlfriend.
Oh,
Joe Dash. Joash.
What I must be friends with the for?
Look, Gavin is visualizing himself with parking with Joash in the room. Yeah.
Doesn't have the dream. I have the dream to the day, man. Hey, he was in the car sitting together.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you told me. I had a dream of Clint, man.
That's my mentor there.
Oh,
I'm
Joash.
joking. You know the bigger mentor.
Yeah, yeah,
You got you there, then you got the next level one.
yeah, yeah. Like
And
my
then
one.
you got
My one
the
is
next
Clint.
level one. Warren Buffett or
local,
someone
get
will be
international.
higher than.
Yeah, yeah. My local man that I see is my mentor is Clint.
England. And you're international, Raja.
Glenn.
Yeah, Raja Banks is my man. If I had
Raja.
if I had one guy like to keep on the sideline, would be Q Banks.
Yeah, that'll be one bigger.
Yeah,
He's
no,
above Raja. So
yeah.
he'll be the main, or like you'll be looking up to.
But I
You
don't,
have to have those steps.
I
You
don't
can't
like-
just have one big O.
Q Banks is like a racist. So
No.
but
yes, you don't like white people.
it's not about that.
You
That's
can,
his
Not white
personality.
people.
You can't do nothing about that.
you can just check that he don't like white people.
Mm.
He always empowers black
Oh,
empowerment.
yeah, I don't like that kind of people though.
Mm.
Oh,
Yeah, better not put this
Yeah.
video.
Why this thing going on?
no, we
YouTube?
never mention any names.
Copyrights, copyrights.
Yeah, that color. Copyright.
We have to cut this
Get a
part out.
strike.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, no, for real. Yeah? Cut this part here, I'm telling you.
Yeah.
This, you can't post this video.
How many
This
minutes?
one you can't
Wait,
post.
this
Only the beginning.
Yeah.
All this part you cut off. Yeah. Don't forget now.
Yeah, yeah.
You'll get in big trouble for this back in the days.
Yeah.
I'm telling you.
Get
You know,
it.
if you had to make millions and someone finds this video and say, see what you said about this race group, I think. Oh, come sue you, man.
Yeah,
Suit
man.
your ass.
Sue my ass.
Yeah.
And Keshni saying, sue your ass. She's like, yes, yes,
Yeah.
sue him, sue him.
You see, this all making a lot of money and they'll go after him.
Yeah,
Get all
yeah.
the darky lawyers there think come after you.
You saw how the Salt Bay got he got sued for
Tell me about it.
$5 million. $5 million
what?
or billion. That move, that signature
That'll
move.
cut stick, but
Yeah, that move for the salt is not his move. He copied it from somebody else who had copyrights on it.
what the
And he worked for that
What
O2,
the-
man.
what the
That O was sharp. Whoever that was said, let him get famous. Let him get famous. And then finally, sue your ass for
But
everything.
Dero actually went and flipped and copyrighted his move.
The original person for that move.
Yeah, isn't he have to sign some things for that move, I think, to say it's yours?
Yeah, he must have went. He must be paid big bucks with lawyer fees in order to say that that's my move. That man is using my move. Like you can do it to yourself. If I copy something that you created, like a saying, like you can't just take Daniel Alley's wording and go put your name on it. That's copyrights up there.
Yeah.
You can sue
Yeah,
your
yeah,
ass
yeah,
for
yeah.
that there. But if you ask him, can I post your thing on with his name, he has no problem with that. He always, when I used to watch his videos before, he says no problem for anybody taking his stuff and reposting it. You just cannot do it
Yeah.
and put your name on it or something. You know what I mean? You got to put the original person on
Yeah.
it. Yeah, I'm gonna check your.
True.
I see Nasdaq is melting beautifully. I'm so sad
Yeah,
for.
I wish them to take it.
Why you never talk
I like
when you would have taken it?
No, then you get FOMO and you want to enter, then you lose and say it's my fault.
Where he was going to enter first of all?
What do you mean?
Halfway or right in the bottom? Whereabout?
Oh, you know, when it broke that 15-minute candle.
Oh, check how you're tuning.
Never mind.
Oh, I
Yeah,
didn't even see it, man.
yeah, man.
Yeah, I was watching it. I'm like, damn, it's
It's not going down. It's not going down. Nothing is just going down. Still going down.
It's not going down.
Yeah. Look at that, man. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah.
It caught the O's. Yeah, look at the 4 hour, how powerful it is also. Huh? Damn. Unreal. That's why these things stop you from
Today I didn't want to take it.
Yeah, because it's 420.
Not only that, though. 420. Nice. I think I overtraded today. That's why. Yeah.
Yeah. Unfortunately, I can't trade my 9 o'clock sessions because I got no data.
Oh, that's why you're not trading.
Yeah, but what I'm doing, I'm meditating. And then I fall off, then I'll have a small nap after that and then wake up like about
Yes.
10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, no, about 11, go brush my teeth, have tea, sleep again and wake up early in the morning. That's what I'm trying to do now. You know, because occasionally sleeping myself too, so I might as well sleep too if I want to wake up early. You know, I have that extra sleep.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Then obviously I'll
Now
crack.
you'll be waking up early.
Yeah, we have to. The earlier we wake up, we can play a game in the morning too, maybe.
What? Oh my God.
Ever thought about that?
I never did it my whole life. Only one time when I was in school, I didn't want to go to school too. I
Yeah.
had to make an excuse to stay home. And
You know,
so I could play games.
If we start early, we can check the charts and play the game while we're looking at the charts too.
Yeah. You know that there?
Yeah.
When I was in South Coast, I used
Yeah.
to make a lot of excuses, man. Hey, once everyone's gone, hey, kill the games, man.
Hey.
Till they come back, act like I'm sleeping. Especially if I'm sick, though. Make sure I kill the games. Go back to bed before mommy comes or anyone comes. And then act like I just woke up. Then didn't.
Yeah, I think we knew. I knew, I think. I don't know.
Yeah, because like what would Gavin be doing all day, whole day at home, doing nothing, really? Gaming.
I used to like it and I get stomach problems too.